are all about. We also have certain workshop from Little Oaks, Art Shala. Mark this event and to mark this association with this very cause-full social media. Together for the amazing, the actor, the director, the producer herself, Miss Safe Kids Foundation. Welcome once again. And on the Mumbai streets. So what do you have to say? What do you feel all about this association and all about the happening that we have here?
Hello everyone, it's great to be here. You know, there's a saying that our children are our future, and therefore it's very important that we educate them about road safety. It's a great initiative by Safe Kids Foundation, and I'm extremely happy to be here. It's very sad that every year so many of our kids, they become victims to road accidents either due to negligence or due to somebody else's mistake or due to just lack of awareness. Therefore, I feel as parents, you know, we need to educate them, make them aware how to be safe pedestrians, how to be safe travelers, whether traveling in trains or buses or cars. And I think most important of all, we need to, kids learn from adult behavior. So we need to demonstrate correct, safe road behavior ourselves. So I just request everybody present over here to do their little bit for this initiative.
Thank you so much, ma'am. A huge round of applause for her once again for taking time out from her heavy schedules and being here. Thank you, ma'am. As the system follows here at Safe Kids Foundation, we want you to sign a declaration with a short message which will go to the UN board in the Safety Week. And we would want you to take a selfie associated with safety, that is selfie, and upload it on your social media with the hashtag SafeKidsLives. Yes, so that this online campaign is a booster. And so, on that notion, मैं ये पहला काम करना चाहूँगी, मैं आपके साथ यहाँ पे selfie लेकर upload करना चाहूँगी. So let's have a selfie first of all. So here we are having a selfie together, and we take this selfie uploaded. Rupa ma'am? Yes.
बोल दे फिर भी माइक भी अच्छा रहेगा ना ऑडियो.
So we take a selfie, and मेरे साथ यहाँ पे जो बहुत ही खूबसूरत यहाँ पे बहुत ही खूबसूरत हस्ती है taking a selfie. This will be uploaded on social media. Can I just? We have your requirement here backstage.
Yes, ma'am.
And there we have Mrs. Divya Khosla Kumar signing out the declaration. Take और यहाँ पे आके declaration. A small effort from all your side will be a very, very big color to our picture.
Yes, ma'am.
Ladies and gentlemen, जैसा हमने यहाँ पे देखा बहुत ही जबरदस्त धमाकेदार Zumba workshop हुआ था यहाँ पे. So once again, in short while we'll be having those two Zumba instructors again coming up. So whoever missed it, please don't miss this chance again. We'll be having this in a few minutes.
Yes, I have a 3.5-year-old.
What's his or her name?
He. It's a boy.
It's a boy. So
Yeah.
have you 3.5? So I'm guessing he's too young to be told about road
No,
safety.
of course not. I have told him about the red light and we should stop on the red light, and green light means go. So you know there's small things you can teach your children, like red light means
Yeah.
stop, green light means go. So I think
all the
learning
volunteers
starts from the
here,
beginning.
please
There's
make
no
a
age
note.
to start
After some
learning,
time,
and there's no age to
we
stop
will be
growing.
halting the game.
So, you
Now
know,
should
even a
kids
small
will be
toddler, you
dancing
can
to
teach
some
a lot of
Zumba
things.
tunes.
And of course, I've also taught him about the zebra crossing. So
That's amazing.
Yeah,
So, do you think that just telling kids help, or do you need to give them some special sort of workshop training or something, just some fun activities like what's happening
Yeah,
here?
of course, if there's a fun activity, then they don't take it as learning, then they take it as play and game, you know, and it just kind of seeps into their brain. So I think we should, we can like I said, we can start it at any age, even when, because the most of the child's learning happens between 1 to 5. So what they learn then always stays with them. And of course, if it's a fun activity, then it's all the more better because they don't take it as education. It's it just, you know, it's in play and fun. They just kind of enjoy and they also learn.
Great. And you're a working mother yourself,
Yeah.
so any tips for other working mothers out there? How to balance this work-life thing?
I think it's, you know, I would just say that Indian women, they are gifted with this quality, and Indian children especially, they never feel left out, you know, because mommies always give them so much time, because I think a mom's heart is like that, you know, just out of love, you give time to your children and you don't let them feel ignored. And it's very important that you balance both the work and the child's well-being. So at least I try to do it and make sure that my child has enough of me in his life.
Amazing. And the last question, do you ever come to High Street Phoenix
Yes,
to
of
chill?
course, lots of times.
What's your favorite place? What do you like doing here?
I think my husband loves the Palladium.
Shopping.
Yeah, and we have had Golgappas over here just at the back
my.
so many times. So it's fun, and it's just such a brilliant place because it's always buzzing with activity and people, and it's so much of Bombay culture, and it's really fun.
Thank you so
Thank
much, Dilba. It
you.
was a pleasure having you here.
Same here.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Ma'am, just a minute.